everyone, welcome back to another video. I don't know if you can tell, I'm not that happy, but I still wanted to come on here and share with y'all why I'm not that happy. We're here to find out what's going on with Miss Tamika. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to please keep on watching. You keep on watching, please click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I'm here to share a data video on this here Louis Vuitton Montessori backpack in the color turtle dove. I already know I did do an unboxing. Today is Monday, May the 24th. So I'm not sure. Hopefully this video will go out really quick because I want to share what happened. So just in case you do decide to purchase this bag, you can be aware. I wore the bag. I got the bag in the mail on May the 13th. I ordered it on May the 6th. Let me pull out my information so I can get everything correct. I ordered it May the 6th. It got to me on May the 13th, May the 19th for the first time out in public. I am here to share that this bag, with me wearing it that one day, I had experienced color transfer. Tell you, when I finally noticed it, because I didn't notice it that day. I think it was the day after, or the day, I think it was 2 days after, because I don't know, I just didn't check my bag, and I don't know what I was doing, y'all. When I pulled up my bag, I saw color transfer. My goodness, like what the F just happened? And mind you, I asked the sales associate at the Lenox Mall location, like, hey, dude, you know, anybody been complaining about color transfer? Because this is my first time ever purchasing a Louis Vuitton leather bag. Because like I said, this here, it is kind of light, but I don't know, I just felt like you purchase bags like this, regardless if it's canvas, leather, or whatever, I feel like they should extra treat them or something so it could prevent color transfer, y'all. When I tell you, I almost died. Like, I did die. I'm not gonna say almost, I did die, because I wasn't expecting color transfer. So like I said, I reached out to a few people and they told me they didn't experience color transfer. I didn't think I had to worry about what I was wearing or what I was going to wear. Like, I really honestly did not think I had to worry about that. And the reason why I'm doing this video, I'm not doing this video to bash Louis Vuitton or anything like that, but I will say I'm not happy with Louis Vuitton's customer service. Carry your girl like Gucci did. I did get an email stating, I'm gonna actually pull up the email so I can tell you. Purchased the bag May the 6th, got it May 13th. And I reached out to them on, let me get my dates correct. I sent the email to the repair people on, let me go back, y'all, because I got the dates all mixed up. I pulled up my calendar so I can get everything correct. And don't mind the hands being ashy, because like I said, I am so scared of this bag at this point. But anyway, just the bag on May 6th, on May 13th, which was a Thursday, and wore it on May 15th, which was that Saturday. On that Monday, which was the 17th, I think it was the 16th, I noticed that Sunday, I noticed the color transfer. So I called Louis Vuitton Monday, which was the 17th. The lady told me what I needed to do. So I sent over pictures, and I will insert pictures throughout the video so you can see what I'm talking about. Took pictures, sent them over on the 17th. And I just got a response back today because they said I sent it to the wrong email. I don't know, y'all, but I got a response today, which is the 24th. Mind you, I had the bag. I got the bag at my house on the 13th, wore it the 15th. So I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and hurry up and reach out to Louis Vuitton because it's within my 30-day, return window. Let me jump on it really quick so maybe Louis Vuitton will, accommodate me or help me out or whatever the case is. So in return, Louis Vuitton sent me an email stating that, where is it at, y'all? I was just so disappointed. Like, I was just so disappointed. I don't know. I just thought they would have been able to take care of me like Gucci did, but unfortunately they were not. So what they said was Thank you for contacting Louis Vuitton. It says Louis Vuitton does not offer a specific cleaning service for handbags at this time. However, we can offer repair options that are specific to your case. After review of your photos submitted, it is determined that your service can be requested to leather care quoted. Mind you, they said quoted, so that means I have to pay for it. Mind you, I got the bag on the 13th. So the repair they quoted me was $180 to change 2 straps. So that's $240, I guess, and 2 bottom clamps quoted at $120. The Montessori backpack. So I guess it's going to be $240 to replace the straps and $120 each to replace the little clamps. I'm gonna show you what they're talking about. Basically, they saying to me that they can't do nothing about it. Like, if I want anything on this bag fixed, I have to come out of pocket. And mind you, with Gucci, I purchased my bag in, I think it was July or August. Bag in with the problem in December. Mind you, that was what, July? Let's just say I got it in July, August, September, October, November. That was about 4 to 5 months I had the bag. Gucci still took care of me. Not only did they take care of me, they replaced the whole bag, like the whole bag. She could have easily said, you know, hey, like, Louis Vuitton, we can't help you, blah, 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 which I would have been like, okay, fine, because again, I had the bag for 4 to 5 months. This here, I had the bag less than 2 days. And they couldn't do nothing for me. Like, damn. I wasn't asking for my money back because I love the bag. Because as y'all saw in the unboxing, I was so happy, smiling and everything like that. I'm still happy about the bag. But y'all, I was just so heartbroken that Louis Vuitton basically couldn't do anything for me. It's considered my fault. But like I said, I did not think that this bag will, you know, would have shown color transfer. Like, I really didn't. Because I don't know. I just thought that the leather was protected. I don't know. Again, I am sharing this video because I know y'all take my recommendations. Y'all go out and buy bags that I recommend. And I just wanted to, you know, kind of let y'all know and warn you about this bag. So if you do get this bag, be very careful. Today, and I Googled how to clean up ink stains or marks or whatever. So through the grace of God, y'all, I found something that stated you could use what is it? Nail polish remover and alcohol. I didn't do the nail polish remover only because I have nail polish remover with acetone, so I wasn't really comfortable with the nail polish remover, but I did use alcohol. I have like the little alcohol pad. I meant to bring it in here, but I do have the alcohol pads. You know, the ones that you rub your skin when you're about to get a needle. Those are the type of pads I have. So I took one of them and I was like, okay, let me just try a small amount. When I tell you the alcohol pad works wonders, now completely wipe it all the way off. But when I tell you it made it look so much better, like I was just like, thank you for Google, because I know what I was going to do. And also another reason why I'm making this video, because if y'all have any recommendations for me on how to treat the bag so I can prevent any issues with color transfer, because at this point, I still love this bag, y'all. Like, I really do. But now I'm scared to like use it, because when I buy bags, I don't buy bags to baby. Planning to wear this like as a everyday type of bag. How the bag looks, because like I said, I will insert pictures so y'all can see how it looked before I did this little alcohol thing. This is what they were talking about. This is what they wanted to charge $120 for. These little things right here. Like, really, Louis Vuitton? And the strap was, I think the straps were $180 a piece or whatever. As you can see, I did try and clean it. You can see a little bit of the blue. In my pictures, it's way better than what it was looking before I did the alcohol thing. Like, you can see it a little bit in the corners. Like, you really can't see it as much. Going to do was I was going to try and take it back and just act like, you know, like just give it to them and just see what they say. Decided to take it back as a win-win. If they didn't, then it's like fine. But the only reason why I didn't want to do that is because, for one, it's a long ass line to get into Louis Vuitton. The bag, like, I really love this bag. So I was just like, I don't know. I don't know what I may do, y'all. I don't know if I should just try and take it back and just let them tell me yes or no. See it as much as you could before I did the alcohol thing. Cause let me show you again. But I think you probably can see it. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to do at this point. I'm trying to show you. Thinking, like I said, please, if y'all have any recommendations on what I can use to protect this bag, let me know down below. And I also was thinking of taking it to a leather shop and asking them what can they do to like protect the bag, because like I said, I really love this hair bag. I said that alcohol thing really worked because you can't really see the bag, and before the alcohol thing you couldn't see it, but again, who wants their bag to look like that within 2 to 3 days? Like I said, if it was 4 to 5 months, then I would have been like, okay, fine. But for me to only wear it one time and it to look like that already, like this is a forever bag for me, and I just felt like I didn't want my bag to look like that. So like I said, I did do the alcohol thing, and the bag looks a whole lot better. To share my situation with Louis Vuitton, like I'm kind of disappointed. Like I am, but I am thankful and grateful that I was able to, you know, make it look a lot better than what it did. The way the bag falls on me, you wouldn't be able to see the color transfer unless I tilt it over and show you, because like I said, the bag does hang like this, so you couldn't see it, but I could see it. And like I said, who wants, you know, their Louis Vuitton bag to look crazy? This is why I never purchased the damier checker print in the what is it, the white and gray? I think that's the color, white and tan, or whatever that color was. I never purchased those bags because I know that those bags do experience color transfer. And for them to be canvas, I feel like y'all should treat y'all bags with something to protect them, like especially when you paying a certain amount of money. Because after my incident with my bag, I went on YouTube and I found a video with a lady. She had a Chanel, a green Chanel, or expensive, like way expensive, more expensive than this backpack, and the whole back of her Chanel bag was green. Like, no, it was black or blue or whatever, and she was okay with it, but you know, because like she said, it's going to always be held up against her. But still, like, Chanel bags is like 4,000 or 5,000 and up, and I feel like, come on, y'all, like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, all y'all need to provide some type of extra protection on these hair bags, because these bags are not cheap. And you know, when we buy these bags, we plan to keep them forever and ever and ever, and who wants to worry about color transfer? That Gucci pink bag and that bag, I do baby, and I only baby that because it's a small bag. Like, that's not like an everyday bag, so I'm not really worried about that bag or whatever. But just had to get on here and rant to y'all, because I am just like, you know, I'm calling on my Louis Vuitton lovers out there. Please help your girl out. Please let me know what I can do to treat this bag. Also let me know what I could do to I guess clean it even more. I don't want to keep rubbing it too much because I don't want to like damage the leather or whatever. So let me know if I could use something other than alcohol. Like I said, I really don't want to use nail polish remover because that is a little stronger to me than alcohol. Yeah, you all, that is my dilemma, and I want to get this video out super fast, because if y'all do decide to purchase this bag per my recommendations, I just want to let y'all know to please beware of the issue with the color transfer. And also Louis Vuitton is not really a big help. Like, I don't know, and it's crazy because maybe when I had the situation with my Speedy, they did repair it with no problem, but I guess it was something on their part. But the color transfer thing, you know, it gave me a store credit. I would have purchased this same bag, but I probably would have got it in black. I didn't want black, y'all, to be honest, because I don't know, I just didn't want black. That's why I purchased this, you know. And so yeah. But I still love this bag so much. It's better than what it was. I'm not going to pay 100 and something for these little tabs. Like I said, Maybe down the line, if it gets worse, maybe I will replace the straps, but not right now because I just bought the bag. A one-time replacement, because of the fact that I just bought the bag. It's not even a month old. It's not even 3 weeks old, y'all. And I gotta go through this, but what a girl supposed to do? So again, Louis Vuitton lovers out there, please help your girl out. Let me know what I can do to protect my bag moving forward. Try to take this bag back, take it back at the Louis Vuitton store. Because me personally, for one, like I said, I don't feel like standing in the line. And then to stand in that line for an hour and then to get in there and they tell me, oh, it's nothing we can do. Like, I'll be completely pissed. So like I said, I am happy that the alcohol thing did work. That's my situation. Yeah. But like I said, I still love the bag. I still highly recommend the bag. It's not like I'm getting paid to do this video far as the unboxing or anything. Y'all just know I love to share things on my channel. I just want y'all to be mindful if you go ahead and purchase this bag. Either get the black or just be careful of what you wear when you do purchase this hair color. So I will let you know in a couple of weeks or couple of months what ends up happening with the. Oh, with that being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up, y'all, because it will really help out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.